Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Gemini, Six of Cups, Six of Swords, Four of Cups. Gemini, the energy today with these cards is you are on a verge of deciding some kind of promotion or something, so you have to move to a different place or a different country. So you are thinking, you do not know what to do. You are just in the deciding phase. Still you are just thinking whether you want to take up this job and move to a different place, or you may be going for studies, or you may be shifting your residence, something of that sort, guys. So you are just thinking within yourselves whether you need it, whether you're taking this new offer that is coming your way. You are happy where you are right now, so you do not want to go and take this new move. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel that will also be the same, just like this place where you want to go. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe somebody is coming with gifts, some friends, your childhood friends, they want to meet you. They may be coming with gifts. You may not want to meet them because you feel you are not on good terms with them and you do not want to reconcile, guys. But maybe for some of you all, you are spending time with friends, you are sharing your memories, happy memories. That may also be the reason here, guys. With this card, I feel something you're not accepting, some thing that is coming towards you, some kind of emotions or feelings you are just staying away from. So you're just keeping quiet to yourself and you want to avoid that situation, guys. That is the energy with these cards, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, Gemini. Tree, ship, book. Gemini, just like I said, you do not want to venture out of your comfort zone, so that is the energy with this card. So sometimes we need to go explore the new beginnings, guys, new avenues. Only when you do that, we just move, we just improve ourselves, we take up the opportunity for great change and improvement in our life. So sometimes we need to do that, guys. Maybe some of you all are planning to go for higher studies or some kind of workshops or learning some skills. That may also be the energy here. So you are still deciding whether you want to take up that opportunity or not, guys. And maybe if this is with this person, you may be trying to step up in your relationship, have a deep connection with this person, but you are taking your time whether you want to go through that kind of emotions again, or maybe you feel this is a destined connection, that this person is there with you for some of you all, and you just want to think and reflect within yourself before taking your final step towards deepening this relationship. That may also be the energy here, guys. So that is the reading, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us today with. Gemini, speak from the heart. So the angels guidance is speak from the heart, guys. So sometimes, not sometimes, always we need to speak truthfully, guys. Speak truthfully what lies in our heart. So many times we are conditioned in life, so we speak certain words and we do certain things just to please others. So instead of doing that, sometimes in our life we need to speak the truth, whatever we truly feel. We should be able to bring it out, so the other person will also understand our true self, our true feelings in any situation. So when we portray our authentic self to the other person in any situation, that will bring us great understanding, guys, and it will give bring that deep communication in our relationship, and it will just help us in this relationship, help us in our life, help us in any situation, so people will understand about us. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the angels guidance for us. So that is the reading, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.